try 3 wide. They were successful earlier tonight. Oh, a lot of rubbing going on. Some rubbing going on in the main straightaway. Last year's winner, gone. And the 88 truck. Shots on. Takes that lead over, but a little bit of roughness going on with John Loopy Nelson. And he's getting a warning flag. A black warning flag to the 88 truck. A little aggressive driving out there. He thought that black flag was put away for the year. He's not the one that said he put somebody in the wall, but oh, he bumps into the next truck. He gets into the back of Brian Wilson, 27. Look at him pushing. Goodness. Second spot, but Loopy is giving him all the trouble he can right now. John Loopy Nelson in the 88 truck has been warned again with the black flag. Oh, he's in the wall! Parts are coming off the truck. He hammered that baby. He's driving like Junior out there. To the third. Alright, keep an eye on the oldest truck in the field has moved up. That 47 International number 10 to Dave Park. He's coming up to the field now. Trying to make a pass for second. Out there. Great battle back and forth, taking down. Ben at his 45. Now look who's going to the front. Dave the Rat Rod Bar, the polisher they call him, has taken that lead. We knew he'd be a threat earlier tonight, and he was. Out there right now. Steve Smith in that 76 truck trying to overtake the second spot. Oh, look out for the 88's in trouble again. Almost got up into the wall. Tried to tear the right side off that thing earlier. Flag comes out for the 88. John Loopy Nelson. I don't think he's paying attention to the flagman though. He's not ready to give up yet. He is staying on that racetrack. The black flag comes out again for the 88 truck. Loopy Nelson's got parts hanging off the side of that thing. 10 laps remaining. 10 laps to go. Oh, and now the caution will come out. in the 17. And Dave Barr, look out! A spin! No, you're kidding me! He starts to pull the truck off. I don't know if he's out of the way or not.
I jump back and get out of the truck and take off.